Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. So basically I make videos for you if you want to make money online, if you want to start your freelancing journey. You are a student and you are looking for some extra money. So if you want to start a freelancing journey or making money journey, so please subscribe my channel. I will show you the step-by-step tutorials. This is not a clickbait video. I hope you will love it and you will learn a lot of things, because we spend lots of time on social media and other platform and we're looking for extra money, okay, but we don't know how to exactly its work and where is the best solution, or who can get you the best video where you can learn step-by-step tutorials. So don't worry, I'm here. I will help you and I will show you my earnings, my steps where I can work and what services I provide and how I can earn, tips and tricks and method that I use. And I work for Fiverr, Upwork, and also I make money from YouTube, affiliate marketing, others, blogging. Okay, so I will show you the each and every sector where you can spend some time and you can make money. So no more delay, let's jump into my Fiverr account. So this is my Fiverr account. Here you can see I am a level 2 seller. Okay, so if I go to my profile, this is my profile, Raihan Rifat 5, and I got so far 182 reviews, and this is my best selling gig. And right now I have on order in queue. Here you can see I got 119 reviews into these services. I have on order in queue, and the basic package is 100 business leads $25, $75 premium on $25. Okay, so basically it's a very simple task, as you can work from your home. If you are a student, college going, no problem, you can start your journey very easily. You don't need to spend lots of time and lots of money to learning this kind of work. And here you can see the active orders is 1 and it's a $10. So it's a pretty small amount, right? But forget about it, because it's your journey. Just you are starting as a beginner, so it will be increased because you are providing a digital service, and it could be 100, 200, 500, and it's depend on the buyer requirements and buyer needs. Let's click the view and I will show you the each and every option where you can check, like activity page. This is my activity page where I can conversation with my buyer, and this is the time, deliver left, and order details. Okay, track order, order in progress, and the details page is here, and also the requirements page. Okay, so this is the project details. Okay, so I will show you the step by step how you can complete this project. So when you got any order from Upwork, Fiverr, like any kind of freelancing project, so you must have to understand the requirements first. It's vital, it's very important. If you don't understand the requirements, you can't the job perfectly, you can deliver it. So that's why we have to understand it. And this is the job description. So hey Raihan, it's a buyer text. Buyers sent me that yesterday. Can you help me with 5 to 100 leads in my domain? And the targeted industry is market risk. Our location is Newark, United States, and targeted person is managing director. And just to confirm, I need the following details of the leads: full name, firm, company, title, LinkedIn profile, email address. Email address is very important, and email address should be verified. It's very, very important. So in this project I have to find 50 leads, that's mean including this kind of data. And the targeted person is managing director, location is Newark, United States, and industry is market risk. So let's do this job. So first of all, I have to open a Google spreadsheet. So just click on your Google Apps and go to the spreadsheet, and you will have to provide a name like the project name, and it could be, just go to your blank page and click on the blank page and give a name title. And we have to input some column name like the buyer requirements, full name, that's mean the managing director's full name. We have to find out the managing director full name, and the farm অথবা company, that's mean farm or company name. Okay, and you can find also their website, and title, that's mean managing director, it would be title, and the LinkedIn profile, and it should be the managing director, that's mean the person LinkedIn profile, not company profile, make sure about it. And the email address, very important, email address, so you can put it before the insert left column, and email address, it should be verified. And if you want to customize this, you can customize, just click bold, and if you want to make a color, so give a color, no problem. So our spreadsheet is ready. So first step was we have to understand the requirements first, then we have to create a Google spreadsheet or Excel file, wherever you prefer, no problem. Our 2 steps is completed. Let's find the market risk director. Okay, so we have to use LinkedIn account, so let's jump into the LinkedIn, and we have to search on. So let's grab the market risks and search here. Already we have market risks. Okay, so market risks, and we have to find the people also. Okay, so let's click on the people, and let's connection settings third. The most important is location. Our location is Newark. Okay, it's specific, Newark, United States, and let's find another Newark City Metro, Newark City, Newark. Okay, so we have grabbed Newark. Okay, so we have selected 3 Newark location. So show results, and you will see the number of results is sometimes you will see the lots of the results, and sometimes you will see the very low results. It depends on the how much you can find. Okay, people, market risks. All right, so let's find some filters, like, okay, so we can select the talks about, that's mean the person must be talk about risk management, leadership, finance, but I don't wanna select this, but I will select like the keywords. Okay, title. So what is our title? Our title is marketing director. So come back here and put it here, marketing director, and show results, and we will see only 1600 results, but after first search we will get lots of, like, above 30,000 results. But when we apply all filters, and you will see the reduced number of results. Okay, so this is our targeted person, like the buyer has given our instruction, and the location, and the person title also. So that's why how we search on LinkedIn this way. This is our targeted person, and let's open one by one. So we have to grab their name, LinkedIn, and we have to find the most important thing is email address. Okay, so this is a targeted person, but the problem is that location. Okay, East Brunswick, New Jersey, United States. It's a different state, so we have to find actually the Newark, because the buyer has already given our Newark state. So let's find another one. So this is how we have to check each and every profile. If we do as we are doing a manual lead generation, it's called manual lead generation, like manually search, manually find, and catch their others information as well. And we can use multiple tools, and I have a couple of videos in pending. I will show you how you can use different kind of tools. Okay, so this is the targeted person, marketing director, head of US marketing at. Okay, so before collecting information, we have to make sure this person email address. So we have to use different kind of free tools like Kendo, but we couldn't find any contact details. Okay, no problem. We have another tools like Lead Leaper. So let's click on Lead Leaper, and it will automatically show you if they get any email address, like valid email address. And here we can see the email address and phone number. So let's copy the email address. So let's jump into our sheet. Okay, so email address is grabbed, and let's find there. So let's copy his name, full name obviously, and paste it here, full name, and find the company. Company name is Scotia Bank. So company name is Scotia Bank. It's okay, no problem. So farmer company, Scotia Bank, and title. Title is marketing manager, and LinkedIn profile. So let's copy LinkedIn profile, and we have left website. So website, so it's up to you. You can provide their website, or if you don't, so delete. So full name, company name, email address, title, and LinkedIn profile. Okay, so our one lead is done. We have to find 49 more. Okay, so let's find another one. So third one, just open new tab and find their email address first. If you got email address, so we can find other information or grab the other information. So that's why email address is very important. But primary key is email address, and primary key is email address. And here you can see there are another tools. It's Kendo, and it's just showing here. So get the info, click on get the info, and it will come up the exact email address. Perfect. And just click, and it will automatically copy. Go back to your sheet and paste it here. And rest of the tasks would be copy and paste. Just grab their LinkedIn URL, and it will be marketing director, and so you can drag and copy and paste. Okay, full name, we have left only company name. So what is his company name? Company name is technology head. So this is how we have to complete 50 leads, and it's a lead generation project, and I got it from Fiverr. Here you can see, and we have to first analyze the requirements, create your sheet, create your Google spreadsheet, and then search on LinkedIn and use the different kind of tools. Okay, and I hope you got that idea how we can work as a lead generation expert. So if you love this content, please leave a comment, and if you want to watch more videos like this, and don't forget to suggest, and if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot to encourage me so I can make more and more videos for you. Okay guys, so I will be back with another tutorials, so stay tuned and have a good day. Tata, bye bye.